English Estonian. I would like, equals.
ma sooviksin.
Polite requests fast. Welcome. Hey, it's Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to Estonian. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Your superpower today is the polite opener. I would like, in Estonian is.
ma sooviksin.
Say it out loud with me, gently.
ma sooviksin.
Nice, polite, warm, and clear. Your goal today. You'll master one phrase and use it in cafes, bookings, and help requests. Speak confidently, I've got you. At the cafe I say, I would like, a coffee, please.
Kohvikus ütlen, ma sooviksin kohvi, palun.
I would like, to book a table for two.
ma sooviksin broneerida laua 2.
Excuse me, I would like, some help.
Vabandust. ma sooviksin abi.
Tiny story in Tallinn. Close your eyes for a moment, let's step into Old Town together. You push open a cozy cafe door, the air smells like fresh.
Kohv.
The barista smiles. You place a hand on your heart, open your palm, and say, softly.
ma sooviksin.
Juhe.
Kohvi. Palun.
First sip, smooth victory. Polite versus direct. Stay kind and you'll sound like a pro. Here's how to tune the mood. Polite. I would like, coffee, please.
ma sooviksin kohvi, palun.
Direct, okay, but stronger, I want coffee.
ma tahan kohvi.
Could I get a glass of water?
Kas ma saaksin klaasi vett?
Opposite mood. I don't want.
ma ei taha.
Pro tip.
ma sooviksin.
Is your velvet key for kindness. Mini dialogue, at the cafe. Play both roles, speak out loud and smile. You.
Tere. ma sooviksin. Klaasi vett. Palun.
Barista.
Kohe toon.
I'll bring it right away. You. Thank you. Barista.
Aitäh teile.
Thank you. Pronunciation beat. Lock the rhythm into your mouth and breath. Clap this 4-beat loop. Ma, 1, soov, 2, ik sin, 3, pause, 4. Now say it on the downbeat.
ma sooviksin.
Whisper, then speak, then smile.
ma sooviksin.
Soft, clear, polite. Rhyme cue. Soft like a violin, say.
ma sooviksin.
To kindly begin. Culture tip. A tiny word makes a big difference. In Estonia, polite requests often start with
ma sooviksin.
and end with
Palun.
add a gentle nod, you'll likely hear
Aitäh.
or
Aitäh teile.
in return. Quick drills. Rapid fire, repeat after me, then answer. Coffee order. I would like, coffee, please.
ma sooviksin kohvi, palun.
Booking. I would like, to book a table for two.
ma sooviksin broneerida laua 2.
Help. Excuse me, I would like, some help.
Vabandust. ma sooviksin abi.
Ticket. I would like, a ticket to Tartu, please.
ma sooviksin pileti Tartusse, palun.
Tea. I would like, tea, please.
ma sooviksin teed, palun.
Pharmacy. I would like, a mask, please.
ma sooviksin maski, palun.
Water. I would like a glass of water, please.
ma sooviksin klaasi vett, palun.
Quiz time. Test yourself, no pressure, just fun. Q1. How do you politely start a request in Estonian? A.
ma sooviksin.
Q2. Multiple choice. Which is more polite for ordering? A.
ma tahan kohvi.
B.
ma sooviksin kohvi, palun.
Answer. B. Q3. True, false.
ma ei taha.
Means, I would like. False, it means, I don't want. Q4. Translate. Could I get a glass of water?
kas ma saaksin klaasi vett?
Memory hacks. Make it stick with playful tricks. Mnemonic. Think, suvi equals wish. To express a wish politely, say.
ma sooviksin.
Imagine golden letters floating over the counter as you speak. Acronym. MS equals make soft requests, remember.
ma sooviksin.
Your real-world challenge. Time to be brave and kind. Today, use
ma sooviksin.
3 times, at a cafe, for a booking, and to ask for help. Practice the gesture, hand to heart, open palm, then add.
palun.
And finish with.
aitäh.
Wrap up. Great work, you sounded polite and confident. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
ma sooviksin.
With real phrases like
kohvi. klaasi vett.
and.
broneerida laua.
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons and resources. Until next time.